ElectroTorg Machinery Company has expanded its range of machines for bending wire with a diameter of 2 to 6 millimeters. So, our company designed a new modification of the machine with the use of servomotors, which has greater productivity and works without compressed air. The best performance was achieved due to the combined operation of the bending unit and the knife. As you can see in the video, the wire cutting knife is located right in the center of the bending unit. This has the following advantages. To cut off the workpiece, it is not necessary to feed the wire back into the knife. This once again does not deform the wire in the straightening unit and also saves time. The accuracy of the manufactured parts is 1/10 of a millimeter. We remind you that ElectroTorg Machinery Company accepts orders for the manufacture of machine tools, and today our customers can order the manufacture of a machine both according to the classical scheme with a knife placed separately and according to the scheme of the knife inside the bending unit. These models are produced in parallel, both models have their advantages. Dear friends, we remind you that our company also produces machines for bending 3D wire with a section from 1 to 4 millimeters, 3D machines with a section from 1 to 6 to 8 millimeters, benders for any reinforcement from 8 to 20 millimeters, including ours new positions 3D rebar bender with a cross-section of up to 16 millimeters. The CNC machine control software is also getting new features. Also in the near future there will be a software update with a graphical simulator and with the ability to download and set a task with DXF files. For all questions and suggestions, please contact the specified contacts.